number 1. We're going at the sound of the tone. Race 1 off and underway, the first B main of the evening. Our BQ was Cody, who seems to have gone home or something. And now we've got Caesar out front. That didn't sound good. Oh, Caesar going for a tumble. Still going to hold on to the lead, though. Second spot is now going to be the Ozone. Danny O taking over the 2 spot. Glenn running third. Bruce Pettis in the 4 spot. Dylan and Ewan. Drivers, we got 1 down and 4 to go. Race number 2, Sportsman 8 scale B main. You guys are up next. 8 scale B main, you're up next. .330 left to go. Our leader makes his way by the start-finish line at 27.6, fastest lap of the race for Caesar Salazar. We're going to take the bump up into the A main and try and get a few more points under his belt. Crossing the stripe in second is Dylan Halverson. Bruce Pettis in third last time by, but Glenn's going to take over the 3rd spot now with Bruce running in the 4th spot. Actually, Ozone might overtake him there too. Bruce holding on to it for now. The 2 orange trucks doing battle through the rhythm section. Bruce Pettis and Denny O. Probably. Drivers, we got 2:45 left on the clock. Halfway done now. Caesar checked out and gone from the rest of the field. Made his way through the rhythm section as Ozone comes by the line in second. 16 seconds behind Caesar right now. Over half a lap is the advantage for Caesar Salazar, making his way by the start-finish line now. Crossing the stripe with a 28.6. Ozone, though, last time by 26.6. Fastest lap of the race. Denny O running in that 2 spot, trying to run away from the rest of the guys hunting him down. Ozone through the sweeper and coming by the start-finish line, 28.7. Everyone behind him having some trouble, all getting into each other. 1:40 left to go. Drivers, minute 40 to go. Caesar crossing the stripe that time with a 27.6. Putting the lap on, or into actually, Ewan. Just all over him. $1:15 left to go. Drivers, minute 15. .45 seconds left in this one. As long as Caesar doesn't break, he should be guaranteed the win here and the bump up into the A main. Caesar surviving the B to race another race. Caesar, that will be race number 7. 30 seconds left to go. Ten seconds left on the clock. You're either going to make it by for his victory lap. Ewan going to make it by for an 11-lap run. That is time, guys. When you cross the line, you'll be done. Ozone taking second. Dylan going to take third. Booster done in fourth. Glenn, you're done in fifth. 2 cars to finish. Caesar, you're done with the bump up. And Ewan. Drivers, that's a race. Turn them off. Come back out and turn marshal, please.